Hey guys, we're here with the MicroLift Power Pallet Jack. Now today we're going to be showing you the features and benefits that this lift has to provide. The number one thing is the fact that it's going to raise and lower your load without you having to do the pumping. Take a look, this little silver button right here. This is going to be the button that's going to raise the lift. Quite simply, comes up. In order to lower the lift back down, it's a traditional pallet jack method. You just pull the handle up and the lift is going to lower itself. Now when you walk up to the power pallet jack, the first thing you're going to want to do is pull the power button. That's going to be right here on the side. It's going to give this guy a quick pull, and that's going to engage the power. Now the power is coming from a very small lithium-ion battery here in the front. Now a neat feature about this battery is the fact that it's extremely lightweight and super powerful. Here's the plug that plugs directly into the battery, and then we would lift that battery up. And this battery weighs about 6 pounds. It's extremely lightweight. Once you got your battery, you're going to slide it back down in here, and then you're going to plug your plug directly into the side of the battery. Now once the battery's plugged in, you're going to come over here to that power switch. We're going to pull the power switch out, just like so, and that's going to engage the power on the lift. You're going to notice right here this battery light is going to turn on and tell you how much charge that battery that you just put in has. This current battery has 30 to 70%. Now when it comes to this lift, it's 100% power. Up here on the control panel, we have a couple different features. Safety features. We have the horn, and we have this button here that's actually going to push the lift away from you if it happens to make contact with your chest. As you notice here, the reverse and the forward are not functioning, and that's because this handle hasn't come down to a certain degree in order to be able to allow that lift to be able to move. That is a safety feature. If you're in the truck and you put the handle up, it automatically brakes the wheel and it automatically cuts power to the lift so you don't have any runaway situations. Now that power brake that's on here, electric brake, is huge. If you're in a lift truck and you turn around, you lift this handle up, your load is not going to roll off the truck. The turning radius of this jack is phenomenal, and the way that this power works makes this jack absolutely effortless. Again, we can go ahead and lower it down, go out, go in. With a simple push of a button, we're going to raise it back up again, and now we're going to be able to take this load anywhere that we want.